So in this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the lessons. Now we've talked about how to navigate through your profile and how to get to your lessons. So from your classroom, you would click on either in this section here, you could view the map, or you could click on the level. You would see the level that you are currently on here. So you could click on there and it will take you to directly where you left off. Or not, you could click on view map and you could click on whichever level you want to play. Now, some of these levels here will be locked, so you have to do them in order. So let me show you with level 1. So each level you have a certain amount of goals. You could always find your goals here on your top left hand corner. Alright, if you completed the goals, it will highlight in green with a tick at the left hand side. So I'm going to redo this level, reload all code. Now if you want to reset the entire thing, say you've made too many mistakes or you're confused as to what to do, you could always click this reset button at the top right hand corner. This little button that looks like it's going around in a clockwise direction, and will give you a prompt. Are you sure you want to reload this level back to the beginning? And I will click reload all. Alright, so your objectives are to avoid the spikes and collect the gems. You could use these methods. Here they show you some methods here to use. Here you would type your code on the right hand side in this box. Be sure to click in the box or on the lines. Okay. Now, if we look here on the right hand side, you will see some code written in blue with this sign in the front of it. Now, this sign at the front, anytime we use this sign in the front, whatever we write after it is not part of our code. It will not be involved in running our program. So here I could choose to write my name or write what I am going to do. My hero will move to the right. Okay, so you could type what your code is going to do. Now let's look at this. I'm going to reset this. Hero move right. So if I click on run, my hero is only going to do this piece of code because that's all I have here. The hero moved right. Right, so if you look on your left hand side, you will see my hero is moving right. Now, I would like my hero to avoid these spikes. So if I type hero move right again, and notice when I type H for hero, this pops up. Okay. Now, you can always choose what you want. It's easier that way if you're a beginner. You can also, in your game menu, take off that option. Okay, you could mute your music and so on. You could leave the music playing. It's up to you. You could remove that option and you would have to type the entire line for yourself. Okay, hero dot move down. Okay, because I want my hero to move down. Now I need these empty brackets on the side of my code. Okay, if I do not have those brackets or I spell a word wrong, when I run my code, it will not be used. Alright, so I need these brackets here. If I have the brackets but I spelled the word wrong and I run my code again, you will see a prompt pop up that you have a spelling problem. Right? So it will tell you where you have your error. You just go back and look for what your error is and fix it. Right? Now let's look at my game on the other side here. When I click run, my hero does move right and then she moved down. Now if I click hero move down again, she's going to run into those spikes. Okay, so I'm going to take off the music for a while for you to hear the sounds in the game. Alright, so put on the sound, sorry. Alright, so we don't want to. Okay, you could also take off the background sounds but leave the in-game sounds. I will take off both so that you could hear me properly. Alright, so we don't want our hero to go down 2 times, we just want it to go down once. Now, after she moves down once, to get to the gem would be to go right. So my hero, and again, if you want to use the prompts, just turn back on the prompts in your game menu. Alright, hero, move right. Now let's run the program and check. Alright, so we completed our objectives. We avoided the gem. We avoided the spikes and we collected the gem. So to move on to the next level, we would click done. You will see a box like this. And here you could go back to your map, or you could complete the next level. Alright, sometimes you would see a video shows up. You would need to look at the video before you could move on to the next level. Okay, so this game is all about completing your code, making your program run. There are challenges where they ask you to complete objectives and you have to know what to write in. The programming language that you are learning is called Python. So, I hope you have fun. Again, if you are stuck on any level or you need assistance, please type your question or leave a comment in the classroom, the Google Classroom, and another student or myself will give you your hints and help you work through your course. There will be reading material for you in the classroom. Some of it will be for your parents and some will be for you. You are advised to read everything so that you know exactly what you are learning and what you are doing. And if you have friends that want to play, please have them fill out the registration form, and in the comment section they could say, well, my friend is in the class and her name is or his name is, and I will add them to the classroom. Alright, so have fun learning and have fun playing CodeCombat.